It was pretty clear from the clients that they required a really good, robust, entertaining house, and so the kitchen is very much at the control centre, if you like, of the house, and it joins nicely into this, I guess, the more public entertaining room, which has got the pizza oven and the fire and the big open, barn door, and then opening out onto the deck. So that was very much a very strong part of the brief that came through, and these particular clients are well known for entertaining lots of people. I think since they've been here, our clients have really embraced the idea of this is now their permanent home, and they are extending their fingers, if you like, out into the landscape with the grapes that have been replanted, and the way they've worked up the landscaping using local Waiheke stone and natural vegetation and planting. So it's very much, I think they're making a place that's their home for quite some time to come. It's become quite common over a number of years in the SGA's work to have courtyards in or alongside or adjacent to buildings, and in this case the courtyard with its beautiful slatted overlight with the light coming in and the plants growing underneath you. You're moving through a space that feels good to be in. One of the challenges always with a coastal property is what kind of materials should you use. The primary materials are in fact very robust and they suit that kind of environment. We've got big roof overhangs to the north, we've got overhangs on certain windows. We're all responding to the climatic conditions. As architects, I think we all feel really privileged when clients enable us to be part of putting a framework, if you like, on some buildings and some life around their dreams. If we can play out and work with them to play out their dreams of how they might occupy this piece of land, then that's a special thing for us to be involved in.